Hey, welcome to Rolling Reed Ranch. This is Rolling Reed Ranch Kennels. This is something different. This is gonna be my first video of the new type of series because we're gonna have a kennel, our own dog kennel out here, breeding dogs. So will be more videos about dogs and dog health and training and stuff like that. So my very first video, I made this one for my nephew. My nephew wanted, he got a new dog and he wanted to figure out a way to put weight on his dog and muscle mass and body mass and just get some weight on his dog without overfeeding him, having to overfeed him, whatever. So these are called satin balls. So stay tuned. We're gonna be making these satin balls today. Rolling with the Reeds, Rolling Reed Ranch Kennels. This is the ingredients for everything that we need to make these satin balls. First off, need about to make a large amount. Depending on how many balls you want to make, you can cut the ingredients down. But to make a large amount, this is the ingredients that you would use. You need 10 pounds of ground beef, preferably the cheap ground beef. The cheap ground beef with with a lot of fat in it. A lot of fat in it. This, I couldn't find the cheap ground beef, so I got the cheapest ground beef that I could, whatever. But this one has 27% fat and this one has 20% fat. We're gonna mix them together, so it's all right. It'll be all right. So 10 pounds of ground beef, 1 dozen eggs and the eggshells. You're gonna crack all the eggs and the eggshells in it. The eggshells are great for the dog's bones and calcium. It's great. 10 packs of gelatin. I didn't have 10 packs, I only have 8, so I'm gonna use 8. 1 large container of oatmeal, 1 1/4 of avocado oil. I forgot how much molasses. 1 1/4 cup of molasses, and 1 whole jar of wheat germ or wheat germ, whatever you want to call it, and a box of total cereal. And we're gonna mix this all together in a big bowl, one big old bowl, and then we're gonna make meatballs out of them. Let's get to mixing. Let's start with this hamburger meat. Let's push everything else to the side. All right, eggs. Like I say, eggs and eggshells. So you can have fun with this. Oh, I made a mess. Dang, these eggs kind of hard to break. All right, that's 6 eggs over here. Break them shells up a little bit. There we go. 6 eggs over here. And breaking them all up. Just as much as possible. Gonna put the wheat germ in. Over here. Another half over here. Spread 1 1/4 cup of molasses. So we're gonna put half and half. Oh, you need this,
Yep.
Right there.
I'm gonna rinse it out and measure that. I can do 2. Measure that there.
Here. Just pour it right in. Right. With this molasses still in there. Okay, I made a mistake earlier on my ingredients. I'm glad I didn't put it in there, but it's 1 1/4 cup vegetable oil, not avocado oil. So put half and half. So that's 1 cup. There's other 4 cups. All right, let me get my gloves on. I'm gonna mix this up a little bit. My God, look at this. This is disgusting. Yeah, to you, but your dog is gonna love it. You can feed this to your cats too. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start adding this oatmeal. So 1 large container of oatmeal. Mix this up, half of half. And get back to mixing. Wait, I'm gonna go and put this, the rest of the dry ingredients. 1 bag of total cereal. The whole bag. The assistant's gonna duck gelatin in, 4 in each one. Didn't have 10 packets, but we got 8. It'll work. That'll work all right. 4 in each one. Thank you very much. That is the gelatin, the dry gelatin. Half over here, half over here. This is going to be an ass load of meatballs. A big old satin ball. Half a pound of meat. For 6 ounces, depending on what I make. Get this mixed up good. Put this down just to put the meatball on there, just to see. Nice hamburger patty, you know? If you was making hamburgers at the house, basically. 6.4 ounces, like I said, 6 ounces. That's 6.4 ounces, but that's about it. That's how big you want them. I have 2 dogs that I'm gonna be feeding these to, so I'm gonna put 2 meatballs in 1 bag. And just keep doing that. And then we throw them in the freezer. You put them in the freezer, then you take out 1 in the morning or the night before, whatever, just take it out the freezer and put it in the refrigerator. Or that morning, just take it out, put it on the counter, let it thaw out. So by lunchtime, you can just go feed them the meatballs, the satin balls. And like I can say, it's a pretty big size meatball, 6 ounces. You know, 6 ounce patty, 6 ounce patty. This is the size that you would get at a restaurant, for a hamburger that you would order. Your single patty hamburger is 6 ounces. Most of the time, 4 to 6 ounces. A good restaurant make them 6 ounces. 4 ounces, that's one of them little, smash burger type things. But, a nice size patty, 6 ounces. So this is what you need to feed your dogs once a day as a snack. And that's it. And that's how. One, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 39. Could have possibly made 40, but yep. So ended up with 39, 38. Let's just say 38 with these right here. I'm gonna go feed that one to the dogs right now. Ended up with an oddball. So 38 meatballs for the dogs. So that's 1 a day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 days. That's 19 days right there. 1 for each dog, 19 days. So 10 pounds of meat and other ingredients last us almost 3 weeks. Like I said, I got 2 dogs, put 2 meatballs. And these are the bags that we had. And bam, there you go. That's a snack for your dog. And this is gonna be so healthy for your dog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Rolling with the reads. Peace out.